Session number 88. We are looking at the market and we are still struggling this week with the market and, economic news. Obviously, tariff news is still up and alive and well pretty much, and people are panicking still. We'll dive into the chart and the account here soon, but first we want to show you this CNBC live update. Dow drops 300 points on first trading day of March, hurt by economic and tariff worries. So we could come down here, read it off to you guys. Stocks retreated on Monday, extending February's rout as deadline on President Donald Trump's tariff policies this week ratcheted up economic concerns. Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 304 points. The S&P fell 0.7%. The Nasdaq Composite slid 1.1%, weighed down by Nvidia's slide of more than 6%. All three indexes traded higher earlier in the session, with Dow at one point up nearly 200 points. So it dives into a bunch of other stuff here, but you kind of get what the market is doing for the first trading session of March. We'll leave this in the description below. Diving into the charting now and the accounts, we have a Mogul Fellows total account value for the Mogul 30 at a 27,000 here. Total market value 8,600. Cash balance, we want to be heavy on cash, especially if a downturn is in our future, guys. We always like to be heavy on cash. Get into stocks, get out of stocks, putting it towards our Mogul pot. Mogul pot is focused on long-term positions. This is our trading account. If you guys want to get access to the Mogul pot, you guys have to get into the Discord. To be able to get into the Discord, go over to mogulfellows.com, check out membership. Anyway, guys, so we have S&P 500 here, currently below this 200-day moving average at the 59.03 here. Made a high here on the 18th, it looks like, of February, 61.47.43. So we currently see it near oversold levels on the RSI indicator. RSI indicator, one of the main indicators we follow, guys, predicts if a stock is oversold or overbought. So today, guys, we're going to be focusing on doing $1,000 value again. We did $1,000 value buy last Monday, but we're going to do $1,000 buy value today as well. We have 10 stocks lined up that we're going to be buying. So I would love to trim today, but we cannot trim to be able to put into our Mogul pod, to be able to put towards our Tesla position, Tesla Mogul position we are focusing on the rest of this year, case study and stuff like that. Get into the Discord to learn more about that, guys. But so let's go ahead and buy these 10 stocks, $100 in value each, or close to, or right under, or over. But we're going to try and do around $1,000 value buy today, $100 on each of these stocks. So let's go ahead and do the first one. We're going to be doing quantum computing company IonQ. We're going to do a $100 buy of this. So I think we're going to buy around 5 of these, guys. 5 shares of IonQ, quantum computing company, that we think is the quantum computing stock to own right now. So let's go ahead and do a $100, or actually we're just going to do a 5 share buy here. It's going to go over our $100 value, 118, but we wanted to, it's close enough to $100. So let's go ahead and lock in IonQ 5 shares, first stock that we're buying today. All right, we got filled at $23.79. That is the first stock. Moving on, guys. MGM Hospitality stock here. Guys, MGM, juggernaut of a company when it comes to hospitality. You go to Vegas and you see all those freaking resorts and casinos, and it's mind-blowing to see. But we're going to add, I think we're going to add around 3 of these to our Mogul 33. Got 3 shares here, a little above our $100 values. Go ahead and lock this in. All right, we got filled at 34.01. Next stock, guys, XYZ. This company, Block Jack Dorsey, I think is going to be the stock to really buy when it comes to cryptocurrency transactions and business transactions, guys. So if you go to, say, the grocery store and you want to buy cryptocurrency, or you want to buy groceries with cryptocurrency, this company will, be able to give businesses access to be able to accept cryptocurrency as a payment. That's the future, guys. So we're going to go ahead and add. We're going to add 1 share this. We went over on the IonQ position, so we're going to go a little under on this. That is going to be at 1 position at $64 here. So let's go ahead and see what we get filled at. All right, 64.73, so it kind of balances out a little bit. So we went over the MGM and IonQ, and then under on the XYZ. Next is SoFi, this fintech. This fintech and then Robinhood are the 2 fintech companies we really like, that we think are going to be popping off here in the next year. And so we want to add it to the trading account. So right now we are going to be adding, let's see what we can add up to. Let's go see if we can add 7 here. Let's see, 7 shares here at 98.28. Let's go ahead and lock this in, guys. All right, SoFi looks like 7 shares added. Next stock we added last week is Lululemon, guys. Lululemon is a retail company, and we see a lot of youth wearing this company more than even Nike, guys. Nike is in the portfolio here, but Lululemon is really popping off here as a company. Let's go ahead and add in $100 value here of Lululemon, a new addition to the portfolio. If you guys don't know, we post every day in the Discord, guys, and we trim, we sell positions, we add positions. Last week we did sell off some positions, and then we added Lulu. Get into the Discord to be able to get access to what we add and sell off and stuff like that if it's not posted in these sessions. We do sessions every Monday. So let's go ahead and add $100 quantity. All right, so amount fractional share $100, guys. Let's go lock this in on Lululemon. All right, Lululemon is added. Let's go ahead and all right, guys, so Lululemon we added into. Now we're going to add into our oil position here. We see oil really coming down to 200, so let's go ahead and add into oil here. $100, almost 1 share. All right, we are moving right along here, guys. Let's go ahead now and add into some bangers here, the rest of the 4. So our 7th stock we're adding is Meta, guys. Meta, and that we see it really coming down, fair value range 44 RSI level here. So let's go ahead and add into Meta. All right, Meta is added to. Now, if you haven't seen, as we mentioned in the news, NVIDIA is really getting smashed here at a 34 RSI level, near oversold levels here. So let's go ahead and add into NVIDIA. All right, now for the 9th stock, guys, we're going to be adding into Alphabet Google. Near oversold levels, 35 RSI. Let's go ahead and add into Google. All right, now for the 10th stock, this stock is a juggernaut, a company, Microsoft. So let's go ahead and add it into Microsoft. We see it near oversold levels, 39 below fair value range, in between oversold and fair value. Let's go ahead and lock in $100 buy of Microsoft as well. So all right, those are the 10 stocks we added into, guys. IonQ, MGM Resorts, Block, SoFi Technologies, Lululemon, ExxonMobil, Meta Platforms, NVIDIA, Google, Alphabet, and then Microsoft, guys. So those are the 10 stocks we added to the portfolio. Portfolio is looking pretty sad. I'm going to be honest, because we are seeing a really downturn in the market. We've been loading up, guys. Last Monday we did $1,000 buy. We've been adding 500 to the account every single day until today, and then we added another 1,000 into the portfolio today. So if the market still presents these opportunities, we're going to take advantage of them, guys. So as you see here, we are down on a lot of positions, but it's a good time to get them at a better price. So we obviously have a good amount of cash in the Mogul 30 to add into these deals, and then we are going to be trimming accordingly once these stocks make a recovery and tend to go to the overbought levels, guys. So that is session number 88. We added $1,000 value into our market value from the cash balance in the Mogul 30, guys. So go over to mogulfellas.com. If you guys are not a part of the Discord yet, every detail, every data, all the data, buy alerts, sell alerts, trim alerts, everything is in the Discord, guys. And then we are announcing the VIP section as well. If you get access to the Discord, you get a VIP section as well, guys. All right, that wraps up session number 88. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Till next time, hit the outro.